Yrany Trisha and welcome to my video demonstration. Today, I will show to you on how to use hypertext to link the main text to the other text. But before that, I will introduce to you first our lesson about hypertext. What is hypertext? What it is used for? And what is its significance? Hypertext is an arrangement of the information in a computer database that allows user to get information and to go from one document to the other by clicking on highlighted words or pictures. It is significant so that readers can immediately access a new information, ideas, image, or context about the passage, and so that he can easily get the point or understand the passage better. Besides, it contains much valuable information in footnotes and their references, and has a material which adds to a more nearly complete perception of the subject. And now, I will demonstrate to you the simple steps on how to use hypertext to link the main text to other text. I searched and chose a text in the internet using my phone, and I sent it in the laptop through Bluetooth because we don't have Wi-Fi connection and I only use cellular data. So why do we do this? Remember that this method helps make your document more informative and also improve screen readers' accessibility so that the text may be more comprehensible and so that the readers can amplify knowledge and reach fresh pieces of information. I will read the main text. Walking for fitness. Strolling through the mall or around town is a pleasant way to spend time. But did you know that by walking faster, you can improve your fitness and health? Walking at a fast pace gives the heart, lungs, muscles, and bones a good workout. The benefits of walking. Walking is easy and it's convenient. You don't need expensive equipment, special clothing, or lessons to walk. All you need is a good pair of shoes and a little time. You can walk anywhere, around the block, on a track, or even indoors. Some malls open early so walkers can exercise before shoppers arrive. Walking is easy on the body. It doesn't jar the joints as jogging or tennis does. That makes walking safe for many people. In fact, doctors often recommend walking to patients recovering from heart attacks, operations, or some injuries. Walking can be an aerobic exercise like jogging, swimming, or cycling. An aerobic exercise requires the body to take in extra oxygen. It strengthens the heart because the heart is required to beat faster. It also increases the amount of oxygen taken in by the lungs. As you exercise, your heart delivers the oxygen-rich blood to your muscles, which helps them grow stronger. Studies have shown brisk walking may reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. Other studies have shown that a brisk walk 3 times a week may lower cholesterol, lower stress, may reduce the risk to osteoporosis, and can strengthen bones and muscles. Walking uses up stored fat. Walking burns about the same number of calories per mile as jogging. It just takes longer to walk a mile than to jog. People who walk regularly and do not increase the amount they eat can lose weight slowly. Then after sending the files, I pasted it here in a Microsoft Word file. Step 2. I prepared a text that serves as a hyperlink. It contains definitions, explanations, prevention of the disease, and others. I just click the document file and copy it by pressing Ctrl+C and pasting it by pressing Ctrl+V. Same thing to do with the other text that serves as our hyperlinks. After copy-pasting and saving the text that serve as the hyperlinks, I then go back to the tab where my main text is. Step 3. Go back to the main text. And the next thing I will do is to highlight the word or words that I want to turn into a clickable hyperlink. I'm going to highlight the word heart disease. Then go to the Insert menu and the Insert tabs appear. Find the Insert button called Links and click. You can now see the 3 different choices: a website link, a bookmark link, or a cross-reference link. Click the website link and the Insert hyperlink window opens up. Then you can notice the upper right link and make sure that this choice is highlighted in blue existing file or web page. Then, what I would do next is to find a document file that contained a heart disease text. Here I found it, then I will click this and click OK. You can now see that the words heart disease look like a link. Then the same process that I would do to the other words. You can now see that the words heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, lose weight, and others are now highlighted in a color blue, and they are underlined. If I point the arrow icon over there, it tells me the URL address or the name of the file and what to do to get there. I just press the Ctrl on my keyboard, and the arrow icon now turned into the hand icon pointing the word. After pressing the Ctrl, just click the mouse and it will take me immediately to the other text that contains new context and information. I would do the same to the others as well. I have done clicking all the hyperlinks, the words now appear as purple color. This indicates that I have already clicked all the hypertext.